Hi kids. Welcome to our class in Physical Education and Health 5. I'm Teacher Jen and I'll be guiding you as we learn how to stay active, healthy, and strong. Today, we're going to talk about something very important, how we handle stress. We all feel stress sometimes, and the way we cope can be either healthy or unhealthy. Let's learn how to choose the better ways to take care of ourselves.
PE and Health 5 Quarter 1 Week 1 Lesson 2 Healthy and Unhealthy Coping Mechanisms. Learning Competency. Apply various healthy coping strategies to manage stress. Learning Objectives. 1. Define coping mechanisms. 2. Differentiate between healthy and unhealthy coping strategies. 3. Apply healthy coping strategies to manage stress. Examples of unhealthy coping strategies to be avoided: use of alcohol and other drugs, comfort eating, avoidance, and blame. Examples of recommended healthful coping strategies: visualization, positive self-talk, managing time and energy, gratitude journal, talking to a responsible adult, seeking support and professional help, nurturing resiliency through grounding exercises and other mindfulness activities. Theme: stress and stressors, and physical response of the body to stress, healthy and unhealthy coping strategies. Alright class, today we're going to have a review. Let's look back at what we've learned so far to make sure we're ready and confident. Let's do our best. This will help you prepare for our next lesson or quiz, so listen and participate actively. Multiple choice review: stress and stressors. 1. What is stress? A. A happy feeling when you play with friends. B. The body's response to a challenge or demand. C. A type of food we eat when tired. D. A game we play at school. The correct answer is letter B.
Number 2. What is a stressor? A. A type of exercise. B. A person who gives rewards. C. Anything that causes stress. D. A relaxing activity. Correct answer, C. 3. Which of the following is an example of a stressor for children? A. Watching your favorite cartoon. B. Getting enough sleep at night. C. Having too much homework. D. Playing at the park with friends. Correct answer, C. 4. How can your body react to stress? A. You may feel calm and sleepy. B. You may feel tired, worried, or get a headache. C. You will always smile and laugh. D. You forget how to speak. Correct answer, B. 5. Which of the following is a healthy way to manage stress? A. Shouting at others. B. Ignoring your feelings. C. Talking to a trusted adult or doing relaxing activities or dance. D. Skipping school. Correct answer, C. Class, what would you feel if your group mate, who was assigned to present, suddenly didn't show up and didn't even inform your group? Would you feel disappointed? Nervous? Angry? Why?
Possible answer: I would feel disappointed and nervous because we trusted our group mate to do their part. It's unfair to the rest of the group, especially if we are not ready to present without them. I'd also feel a bit angry because they didn't inform us, and now we all have to adjust quickly.
Now class, look at the picture. What do you think it shows us about handling stress? How do you manage your own stress? What do you do when you feel tired, worried, or overwhelmed? Sample answer: when I feel stressed, I take deep breaths and try to relax. Sometimes I listen to music, draw, or talk to someone I trust, like my parents or a friend. It helps me feel better and think more clearly. It's time for our unlocking of difficult words. These are words that will help you understand the lesson better. Listen carefully and let's learn their meanings together. Coping strategy: the efforts we make to solve problems and manage stress. Healthy coping strategy: helps solve problems and makes you feel better without causing harm. Unhealthy coping strategy: might seem helpful but can make things worse or hurt you or others. Now class, I want you to enumerate the coping mechanisms that you do when you feel stressed. What are the things you usually do to help yourself feel better? Write them down or share them with the class. Here are examples of my coping mechanisms. I listen to music to relax my mind. I talk to my parents or friends when I feel overwhelmed. I draw or write in my notebook to express my feelings. I take deep breaths and try to stay calm. I play or exercise to release stress and feel better. Let's try one of the coping mechanism. Dancing is moving your body to music to have fun, show emotions, or stay healthy. It can be slow or fast, quiet or energetic. You can dance alone, with a partner, or in a group. Remember, stretching means gently pulling or extending parts of your body to make your muscles more flexible and ready for movement. Why is stretching important? Prepares the body for movement. It warms up your muscles before exercise or dancing. Prevents injury. Stretching makes muscles more flexible, so you don't hurt yourself while moving. Improves posture. Helps your body stand or sit properly. Relieves stress and tension. Stretching can help you relax and feel calm. Increases blood flow. Helps your muscles get more oxygen and energy. Alright class, let's take a quick break and do a stretching exercise. Stand up, give yourself some space, and let's move our bodies to feel more relaxed and energized. Identify what are your feelings after doing the dance exercise. Physical feelings, energetic, feel more awake and active. Relaxed, muscles feel loose, and tension is reduced. Tired but happy, physical fatigue is paired with a sense of accomplishment. Emotional feelings, happy, movement and music release endorphins, feel-good hormones. Excited, the rhythm and teamwork in dance boost mood. Proud, feel proud of completing the routine. Confident, performing in front of others can build self-esteem. As a pupil, what are the different ways you use to cope with stress? How do these help you feel better or make your day easier? Write your answer in 2 to 3 sentences, or you can share it with the class if you're ready. That's all for our lesson today, class. Great job and thank you for participating. Goodbye and see you next time. Stay safe and take care.